Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Realtecshop, the go-to place for all things technology. Today, we have something special in store for you. The HP 255G8 laptop. If you're in the market for a powerful, feature-packed device, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Now, let's get started. Meet the HP 255G8 laptop, a true powerhouse, designed to elevate your computing experience. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance for all your tasks, from productivity to entertainment. The 15.6-inch Full HD screen provides crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it a delight for work and play. Whether you're editing documents, streaming your favorite shows, or indulging in some gaming, this laptop has you covered. Connectivity is key, and the HP 255G8 doesn't disappoint. With a range of ports and built-in Wi-Fi, staying connected has never been easier. And yes, there's a webcam too, perfect for those virtual meetings and video calls. Now, let's talk about the internals. With a generous 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop ensures smooth multitasking, letting you breeze through your workflow without any hiccups. And the cherry on top, a massive 1 terabyte SSD for ample storage space, quick boot times, and faster application launches. Running on the latest Windows 11 Home Edition, you get the best of both worlds, a familiar interface with enhanced features for a more intuitive and efficient user experience. And there you have it, folks, the HP 255G8 laptop. A true powerhouse that ticks all the boxes. If you're ready to elevate your computing experience, check the links in the description to get your hands on this fantastic device. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Until next time, this is Realtecshop, signing off from Realtecshop. Stay techy.